Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this small video we are going to be talking about something I call a pillar of Facebook marketing. So if you are doing Facebook marketing, if you are using Facebook ads to promote your e-commerce products, then this is must for you, a pillar of Facebook marketing. And if you are not using this feature of Facebook marketing, then in my opinion you are wasting your time, you are wasting your effort, and you are wasting your money in your Facebook marketing campaigns. So just have to follow up with me and you will learn the best strategy, the pillar of Facebook marketing, and you can apply that strategy, that feature on your Facebook marketing campaign, and you will boost your results of your Facebook marketing. So I'm Zain Rizvee from W3 Academy. Let's get started. So the basic concept of this video is, let's say I have an e-commerce website and people come to my website through Facebook ads, through SEO, and through many other mediums. So what does that mean? When people click on my website, when people visit my website, that means those people have interest in my product. Those people want to learn more about my products. So what I will do is, and what the basic concept of this video is, I will retarget those people through Facebook ads because they have interest in my product and they are more likely to buy the products from my website. So I will retarget them using Facebook ads, and that's very easy and that's very important, and I can boost my sales and I can boost my revenue using this feature of Facebook ads, this feature of Facebook marketing. So how can I do that? This is the basic concept of this video. I will retarget them using pixels of I can set up pixels on my website using Facebook ads. So I'll take you to my computer screen, and there we will see how can you set a pixel and how can you retarget those people who have visited on your website or a blog. So let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so here we are. So first of all, open your browser, and then you'll have to open your business manager, business.facebook.com. If you don't have a business account, then you'll have to create just one using this link, business.facebook.com. okay, then you'll have to click on this ads manager, and from here you can see that this is my ads manager, and I can add my advertisement, I can edit my advertisements from here. And what I will do is I will have to click on this business settings. Okay, so we are setting up a pixel on our website through this Facebook ads manager so that we can retarget those people who visit our website, who click on our website. So what can we do is, so you'll have to click on this data sources. Okay, so now from here you can see that here is the option of pixels, so you'll have to click on this pixels. And from here you can see that here is the option of pixels, and you'll have to click on this add button. And like you can see that connect website activity using pixels, track website conversions using pixels. So what you can do is add the pixel code to your website to run conversion campaigns, build advanced reporting, and for custom retargeting. So you'll have to enter the pixel name and you can enter your website URL. Okay, this is optional, but it is recommended that you enter your website URL here, and then you'll have to click on this continue. It's very easy, like you can just do that in 5 minutes. So how can you do that? Are you ready to set up your pixel? Or you can just click on this set up the pixel now. And if your website is a WordPress website, then you can click here, or if you want to do that manually, like you will get a website code, you'll get a code and you can enter the code in your website's header menu. So if you want to do that manually, you'll have to click on this setup manually. Or if your website is on WordPress or Shopify or any other partner, you can just click here setup using WordPress. Or if your is Shopify, then you'll have to click on this browse other partners and then enter the website you are using, the platform you are using, like Shopify or any other website. So I'm using WordPress, so what I will do is I will click on this setup using WordPress. Okay, and now you can see that it's steps I am getting. What I will have to do is I'm gonna add a plugin on my website. So I will open my website. Okay, then click on this plugins, and now I will have to add a new plugin called Facebook Pixel for WordPress. So I will search here Facebook Pixel for WordPress. Okay, so this is the one, Facebook for WordPress. So I'll have to install this on my website. Okay, now click on activate button, and it's done. Now I will have to click on the settings. Okay, now connect your business to Facebook. So you'll have to click on this get started, and you'll have to log in with Facebook account. Then click on this continue, and then you'll have to select the Facebook page you want to connect to your WordPress website. Okay, then continue. Okay, then you can connect your Instagram account as well if you have already connected your Instagram account to your Facebook business page. So I'm going to click on this skip selection. Okay, then you'll have to select your ad account. If you don't have an ad account, then you can just create an ad account for free in the Facebook Business Manager. So I'm going to click here and then click on this continue. And then the pixel we just have created, you'll have to click on this pixel you just have created, okay, from Business Manager. So I'm going to click on this pixel and then click on this continue. Okay, so confirm settings. So what I will do is I will click on this continue. Okay, so as you can see that it's by default yes, so leave as it is, and then click on this next button. And linking WordPress app to Facebook, so it's done. Okay, you're all set. So what I will do is, what I can do on my website is like help more people discover your business, find people who are likely to buy your products and services, measure the results of action taken on your website. So click on this done. Okay, so I'll have to click on this checkbox and then confirm. Okay, so now it's done. Your business is connected to Facebook. Now I can use this connection to create ads that feature your products and services, find new customers on Facebook and Instagram, measure results and improve ROI. So I can just create an ad from here. Like you can see that I can retarget those people who visit my website, who clicks on my website. So it's very simple. Now if I click on this next button and this next button, okay, so now as you can see that verify that your pixel is working correctly. So I'll have to enter the URL of my website and send test traffic. Okay, so this is my website and this is working correctly, and I have done the test traffic, so it's done. It's very good. My pixel is working correctly, and I can retarget those people who visit my website using this something I called Facebook pillar, the pillar of Facebook marketing pixel on your website. So it's very simple. It's very important to know that how can you retarget those people who visit your website. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.